how to remove Copilot from Microsoft Edge Windows 11. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So we're going to start by opening the Copilot settings, and we can do this by right clicking on the chat button to the top right of Microsoft Edge and then clicking on Hide Copilot. From here, click on Manage Copilot Settings. Copilot toolbar button has to be on for this to be visible. Click on that. Make sure everything is turned off in privacy. You can also click on Delete Data here. Then click on Manage Personalization and Memory. Let's turn these off. Delete all memory. So we've now gone ahead and done that. We can now turn off the Copilot button in the toolbar, but we're not done yet, so stay tuned. We're now going to search for Copilot in the settings to the left, and we're going to make sure everything is off. So at the bottom, make sure that Copilot and sidebar is off. So we're going to click on that. Let's just go back to Copilot search again. So we've turned off Copilot and search bar. Make sure Copilot and new page is off. And essentially you just want to scroll down and make sure everything is turned off. Make sure Copilot mode is turned off. That's a big one that will follow you around and analyze your data 24/7. It says turn your browser into an intelligent companion that handles the busy work. So if you don't want Copilot, make sure that's off. And for now, that's basically all we can do to turn off Copilot in Edge.